Hi everyone, today in this video we will create these type of cards with help of CSS. So let's see how to create this. So currently I have these 4 cards. I have just created a container and inside the container we have 4 cards, and to show them side by side I have just made this container as display flags, and to make these cards in center I just used justify content center and I just assign gap of 40 pixel between them, and I have add some height and width and background so that it is visible to you. And now let's begin how to achieve these sets. So for that I will just use inspect tool so that you can see the changes live. So I will just first change this background to the linear gradient, and this I will just change to right, and this background will be something like light blue, something like sky. So for that I just changing to the white, and I will just change this, and the second one will be something darker or something. The last one will be white and the first one something dark like this. Okay, and I will add box shadow. For box shadow I will just add minus 40 pixel and 40 pixel from x direction, and y direction shadow should be 0, and spread will be 40 pixel and spread will be 0. This is the spread, this is the blur value, and this is the spread, and I will assign some value. I'm assigning here triple D, something gray. I will just change this. Let's first change the background of white, a white background of body background. So I'm changing this color to something sky. For that I will use something color like this. So let's copy this and just add in the body background, and let's see the changes, and let's change this background as well from gray to linear gradient to right, and the last one should be same like body background so that it merge into the body background, and this first color should be something sky or something darker. I'm using something triple C, which is a gray. If I see now, okay, there is some error. So here I have it has, and now it's looking something like this. So I have to change this, and I have not added shadow. So let's add box shadow as well. Box shadow minus 47 pixel, and y direction should be 0, blur should be 37 pixel something, or spread will be 0, and let's make this as triple D shadow color. I will just change this to something darker, and just something like this, but this shade will be something like this, something like sky color. Let's copy this and just add in the back shadow color. So okay, this is just automatically applied. I will just copy this value and add inside my CSS box shadow. Okay, that's looking something like this, but there is some, this color should be something sky blue. So I will just inspect this and change this color as well, and just change the background to something white blue color, just something like this. Copy this and just add on this. Let's update into my CSS as well, and now the effect is applied here. You can see the changes. If you want to uplift the card more, then you can just increase the spread or blur value. You can just increase the blur value of a box shadow. If I'm increasing box shadow value, where it's gone, just increasing. Okay, the amount you increase, it will be uplifted, something like this. Let's copy this and add in the box shadow, and it's looking fine now. So we achieve the same thing like this. You can just update and play with the colors to achieve the different effects like this, and I just used two things, the box shadow and background, and just play with colors and properties of box shadow and background, and you will be able to create a different UI like this. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like and like this video. Comment your opinion that how was this video. You can share your opinion or any feedback for me, and please subscribe this channel to level up your front-end skill. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe this channel to level up your front-end skill. If you want any specific video, you can just comment down and I will create that video for you. And please subscribe this channel to help us complete 1000 subscribers.